stop judging me now. I'm just a judgy. Oh my god. Just don't judge me. Don't judge me. Okay? Keneisha, you buy too much, you know, and it's just unnecessary.
Now why you feel for sad? Come here, say when me feel for sad. Now why you feel for sad?
Alright guys, welcome back to KeneishaSays. Welcome back to another video. Now, I've been back, for all who know or who watched the video before, that I was in Jamaica, and as of tomorrow, it's going to be like 2 weeks since I've been back from Jamaica. Now the thing is, before I went to Jamaica, I did no form of back to school shopping or anything. So when I got back, I immediately had to jump on that. And if you know me, you know I'm not going to be walking up and down in the stores. So everything was done online. No, everything over is a bunch of stuff, guys. I want you to see. So it's a bunch of stuff all over the place. And I did not get a chance to actually organize everything to, you know, there are different places. So I have from Famous Footwear, I have Walmart, I have OldNavy, and Amazon, and I think Nike. So I did not get a chance to like organize everything for you guys to see exactly where they're coming from. So we're just going to grab, I will just open. So this is the unboxing shopping, back to school shopping online haul. I hope you guys can see me because it looks really dark on my end. The first package I see here is actually from Famous Footwear. I still have a couple stuff that I need to get. They should be delivered between tomorrow to like the latter part of this month. But it's not anything like magnificent, anything spectacular. Alright, so in this bag I have only socks. Tristan socks. Tristan and Tiffany socks, yeah. So this you have the cushioned crew socks. So a pack of 6. This one is also a pack of 6. These are for Tivania, white. This is for Tristan, a pack of 6, and he has an extra one of this that we never used from last year. And then for Tivania, black, pack of 6 as well. These are ankle socks, by the way. I got 2 ankle and hold on. Yeah, I don't even know. I think I ordered 2 for Tivania, 5 to 7. 2 for Tivania and 2 for Tristan. I don't know. Or I think all of them are for Tristan. I think all of these are for Tristan. I think all of those are for Tristan. So 2 black, 2 white, 2 ankle socks, and 2 cushion. That's the receipt. Oh guys, before I go any further, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on in the comment section, and share. Alright, so this next package is actually Amazon. I don't know, I can't go on Amazon and don't buy something for myself. So this is actually a watch band. It's a pink watch band for my Apple Watch. I'm not gonna take it out now, but this is how it's looking. Okay? Alright. Okay, that's it from me. I had to treat myself. I just had to treat myself. It's not fair to go on Amazon and don't buy something for yourself. Who does that? Okay. So this package, yeah, this is also from Amazon. And you see, no look of packaging. But these I think are tights for Tivania, or leggings as we call it. As we call it, maybe. This I think was a pack of 5. If it's your first time watching, when I'm shopping for my kids because of where I'm living, I normally shop for all seasons. So spring, summer, winter, and fall, right? And so these are normally leggings that she could wear underneath her dresses, or you know, even her this year, matter of fact, she don't want no shorts. She don't want no shorts. She doesn't want any pants. She doesn't want any sweatpants. So she's gonna be wearing all dresses to school. So definitely need that. But normally I have her wear, depending on how cold it is, this underneath her sweatpants or underneath her dresses, depending on the temperature. So these are very nice. I love it. It's a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are very cute and they're very thick. They're nothing at all. They're very thick, beautiful. And these I got in the size extra small. Okay, so another Amazon package. So I'm like to go through some. And these are some watch faces from my Apple Watch, because one of them broke that when I was in Jamaica, and then you have some colors that I want to wear based on the bands that I have, and I don't have the faces to match. So I get a little gift for me, okay? A little gift from me. That's all that come in this bag. Okay, this is another Amazon package. No, this is Nike. So this one is from Nike. Nike, I didn't order a lot of stuff. It's just two things. I think it was just socks for TJ. TJ has a specific socks that he wants, and I have to go directly on the Nike site, the Nike site for that. These are definitely not the socks. These are definitely not the socks, guys. So let me see how this goes before I even show you. It's a pink, so it's now for TJ. So what had happened was, they gave you a specific amount to spend in order to get free shipping. I don't know how much they with free shipping. Even if I spend $20 to get the free shipping, it's not cost $5. No about it. So that's what happened. And I thought, but then look, this was big. It's supposed to be a gym bag. And you know, I'm a pinky girl. But Jesus man, it's like a move, but don't move this big. But it's pretty. This is huge. Yeah. They have this strap here. It can extend. Right there. Have a compartment right here, so this is big. This can hold my current gym bag inside here and some. Like this is, plus it has a little part inside here, so I'll put it for compartments in here. I love this, but it's big. I wish it was a little bit smaller. But anyway, it's pink, so there should be another Nike package somewhere. Okay, another Amazon bag. Amazon just like individually just be sending a whole bunch of stuff, like different bags. Why? Alright, this is like another pack of leggings for Tabania. This one is a pack of 3. So yeah. 1, 2, 3. These are solid colors, while the others were like a little bit mixed. Whoever packed these Amazon packages were not in a consolidating mode, because everything is a whole lot of bags for Amazon. Not boxes, bags. Alright, what is right now? This is for me. Watch faces. So the one like this broke that I had in Jamaica. It fell and the face just smashed up. But I had it for years. No, it's one like this. The rose gold one. One of them. I'm gonna buy it back. Get that one gold face that I have, apart from like the regular ones, you know. That one look a little bit fancy. So I bought it back. So do not judge me. I know this is supposed to be a back to school haul, but the mom has to treat herself too. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. More bag, and this feel like I just one day get something in there. This feel like it's just one item. Okay, can't do a panic. Open small. Wait, one more watch band for me. Okay. I needed a green. I didn't have a green band. And it's cute. I needed that. Again. See, don't judge me. Oh man. Somebody gotta go over and teach these people how to consolidate. They gotta teach these people how to consolidate, because why so much bags? Alright, so in this bag, this is like a water bottle. This water bottle This water bottle is for Tristan. It looks dirty. So it has a little pocket thingy magic on there. So it has a little handle, like so. This is cute. Alright, so we have another bag. What is this? Oh, TJ goggles. So I don't know, TJ wear glasses. I mean, he's playing sports. He doesn't wear contacts, so he has goggles. So I bought the other one that he had. They were old, worn out, and they needed a new prescription. So when we got back from Jamaica, 2 weeks ago, I actually had an eye appointment immediately the next day. Or should I say, we got back in Thursday morning around 12 o'clock and we had an appointment at 9. So I bought these so they can actually put his new prescription in there so he can see. Alright, more bag from Amazon. Somebody got to go over to Amazon and teach them how to consolidate packages because why I have so much bag? It's crazy. What is this now? This looks like Savania's winter jacket. Ooh. They look big, man. What size is this? I think about 6, so I mean, this looks so big. It's a Juicy Couture. Oh, 7 to 8. My bag way bigger than her. I was buying 6. Is that? That's okay. She'll grow nice. So this is how it's looking. Very thick. Very thick. Better than that girl. She gonna fit in this in no time. She does have jackets that she had from last year. But you know, going to school, it has pockets and everything. Going to school, back to school. As a Jamaican, we normally get everything brand new. So that's what it is. You won't see Tristan's backpack and his lunch bag in this haul because I had purchased the backpack before we went to Jamaica in Burlington and it was way cheaper than what I saw on Amazon. And that was supposed to match a lunch bag that he had asked for before that we had also bought in Burlington. So we found a match. Savania's backpack also is not in this because that's supposed to be coming, I think, tomorrow. But she has a Stitch and Lila and Stitch backpack. And I also want it to match. Backpack and it also comes with a lunch bag. Alright, we got one more bag here. This again is from Amazon. They'll keep on saying consistently through this video. They do not know how to consolidate. Maybe my fault because they ask for consolidation. I'm like, nope. I want them every day. I want to see new packages come to my door. So, but at the same time, you have like 6 packages coming in one day. So then they could have consolidated. So I mean, it's not my fault. No, I'm going to take it back. It's not my fault. In this, we got like Tristan's winter jackets. At this point, I just feel like anybody who really go into stores to buy things, I want to just really want to exercise or just come out of the house because everything is online nowadays. Like, why you need to come out of the house? That's just so overrated. Buying things in store, right? Why? So, this is his winter jacket. This is for Tristan. It's thick inside, but this is really nice. This is it. Guys, just feel like you don't burn them up. It's have to be like a cold weather. And I stick to black because black goes with everything. And I know, as I said before, I buy everything for the whole season. So they don't wear uniforms to school. So it's, as Jamaica would call it, pretty clothes. So it's like more casual clothes and stuff like that. So I buy colors or shoes, like jackets and shoes to go with them everyday outfit. Alright, this is another Amazon package, another Amazon bag. Okay, so these are into hats and also into hats and gloves. I'm not sure if I'm having a scarf in here. These are hat sets. So yeah, hats and gloves. So you have the peachish looking one with the scarf and the gloves. Yeah, so it's a 3 pieces. So this go on our neck, scarf, the gloves, and the hats. And it's 2 sets. Got the purple as well. So that can hat. And smell fishy though. The hats, the scarf, and the gloves. And the gloves have like the that way you can use to touch your phone or your tablets or whatever not. Alright, so since this is literally next to me, this big old box, this is actually OldNavy. So we're gonna open this and everything, I wanna say everything that's in here should be for Tristan because I did go, oh, I got SHEIN stuff. Everything for Tristan is OldNavy. Normally I buy everything for my kids on OldNavy going to school. But this year, because Savannah want a lot of dresses and OldNavy don't have a lot of dresses per se, like will look nice, you know, if you go to school and stuff. So I went back on SHEIN to get her back to school stuff and keep it OldNavy for Tristan. I think 1 or 2 maybe in there for her, but mostly it's gonna be for Tristan. So I'm gonna put this back right here because it's heavy. First thing we have this like a shirt. So it's a sweatshirt for Tristan. Green and blue. Again, we shop it for every weather, every season. This I just buy because it's a slippers, it's a pair of slippers. And I just purchased in case my seats and it just look nice. I'm not like a sandals. So hope it can fit in. Has nothing to do with school, just like that. So we do have a couple things here for Tamana. So this is a sweatshirt for her for winter. Alright, so for all this season, right? I normally have, again, if you watch my previous, because I think I had a back to school shopping video before. So you have the winter jacket them, right? You know you have fall that is not so hot, not so cold and stuff like that. So you need another little jacket to go with there. So that is not, you know. So this is a fleeced hooded sweatshirt with a zipper, like a little bit cropped. So I saw this and I'm like, this look cute. I guess you have a whole lot of jacket and stuff, but you know, they look cute, so why not? This is a t-shirt for Tristan. And Tristan kind of out of characters now, but he kind of into like the games and like the graffiti type stuff. So this says game, eat, sleep, repeat. Cause literally this is what he does. It feels very soft and nice. It look like it's big though. No, large is good as it says. So all of Tristan stuff will be large or extra large. I just noticed that someone about memory card. Like what is going on? First the battery dead, no memory card. This was being recorded from, but I use this from Jamaica still, so it makes sense. For a pound after 4 minutes. Another hooded, it's a sweater, a jacket, or whatever you want to call it, from OldNavy for Tristan. It's navy blue. This one is gonna be a black one. It's gonna be the same exact thing, but just different color. No, lie, not same exact thing. Lie, it's a different type. This one is more like a active wear, but yeah, this is for school as well. This is another t-shirt for him. I'm gonna finish before I check to see if we have enough clothes because I don't think I bought enough clothes for him. I'm gonna have to just see. So this one says all day game. He's into animes and stuff, so I asked him about most of the stuff on my band and he was okay with it. So this is Naruto. Orange shirt, t-shirt, yeah. I'll go fast to see how much we can do. 3 more minutes left on the memory card. This is a pack of 3. These are long sleeve. It's a chill out. I don't know, these just look big to me though. They look big. And that's one out of the pack. It's a Fresh Beats. It's also a music lover too. And this says music buff. Beats with a lot of range. Yeah, that's that. 2 more left to go, guys. 2 more minutes on this. My aim is to finish this box before it done. I think I'm doing that. My next long sleeve is an Explore. Again, all these are for Tristan. We're moving into the shorts. Got some shorts for him. A regular. Just do the shorts. 1 minute to go. I also got some sweatpants for him on. I never like the pants from OldNavy. I feel like you have all of them already. So I got some different types on Amazon. This is a sweatshirt as well. It says GOAT, the greatest of all time. That is my baby. This is another long sleeve shirt. OldNavy. Gray. These are a pack of 2 shorts. Black and blue. I think I'm done now. Alright guys, the memory card finished and I'm not only fluffy now, but it finished. We're all good again, so let's go. Alright, so we have one more shirt here. Regular OldNavy t-shirt. This is more like a polo shirt. All these colors. So this is a sweatshirt, the jacket thingy. And this one is brown, because you don't have no brown one. So that can go with the brown stuff. This is another t-shirt. Happy Gamer. Another one like the green and blue, the yellow one that you just saw, but this one is just blue and white. Ow. That's not what I shot. It's a multi-shirt theme. Alright, this is another t-shirt. It says drip over skills. Way. Alright, this is like a pack. A shirt. Pack of shirts. Like t-shirts. Yes, baby blue one. Just regular. There's nothing on these. Plain t-shirts. A pack of 3 just plain t-shirts. What color is this? That jogger, navy blue, my shorts. It's a formula to 4 shots, man. Maybe some more shorts. Yes, I have a bunch of shorts but I never wear Jamaica. I might just make me utilize those. Let's see. Alright, regular shinigly white plain t-shirt, Old Navy. The trick is always to get more top anyways because they can always wear it with the same bottom, but you know. And this one said bra, which is exactly what he'd be saying. So that's blue. And that's it for the Old Navy box. That is done. That is a wrap. Okay, I have this box near me and this looks like it's coming from Nike. So I think that this is gonna be the socks for TJ. Yep. You only want to buy socks, but I saw again there was a particular amount that you need to spend to get free shipping. So I bought in the white, which this is a pack of 3, and I also bought in black. So these are white. They are crew socks. I bought in 2 packs of white actually. So you can't order socks. Yeah, so that is from Nike. This is Walmart. In Walmart we have some underwears for Tabana. One dig it again. Underwear for Tabana. This is a pack of 10. Now I'll open this. Pack of 10 with a whole bunch of panties inside of it. 10 packs. And I bought a pack of, I actually bought 2 packs. Yeah, I buy 2 packs. 20 underwears. 20 panty. Let me buy the 2 same color. Oh, that makes sense. The 2 exact thing. No different pattern, nothing. Just 2 exact sets. But let's even do this for purpose. But anyway, 20 underwears. Same exact thing. Makes no sense. I don't know why I'm gonna do this. These purchases were done actually in the night when I come from work. So I don't know how that works out. Tired, just want to get it done with. Make sure so everybody have them stuff. So that's how that happens. So let me clarify. In this haul we have Walmart, Nike, fashion, famous footwear, Amazon, SHEIN, Old Navy. Yeah, I think that's it. Famous footwear. So this is mine. I know this might make it up the size, but what had happened was this one sneakers may look up like forever, and I'm not a sneakers girl, but I'm becoming a little bit of a sneakers lover just for certain outfits, you know what I mean? I've been looking for this it look big though, nothing can fit me. But this particular color, I've been looking for this forever. I thought it was going to be a little bit browner. But like a brown and mauve, or we want to call it. Yeah. So that's how this was purchased, okay? And it's my first sneakers like this. I wear other sneakers, Nike sneakers, when I have their Air Maxes. But that's how that happened. 8.5. I feel like it's big. But I'll try this later on because it's not about me right now. Let me put it right up here. It's not about me right now, but I'll leave that right there. So, okay, got another package. Like, what is from? I don't know. It's not Amazon. Like Amazon. We're gonna say it's Amazon. Let's see what's inside, and based on what is inside, that we can know. Yeah, it's Amazon. This not have nothing to do with anything, and this is actually a house. So, if you had watched the porch decoration or porch transformation, you see where I had bought some mosquito repellent type thing like this, right? Now the refill, them done in no time, so I have to get some refill. I know I have this on subscription, so they can come regularly. So that's how that happened. Alright, Walmart right here. So let's go in Walmart. So Walmart now we normally do like underwears and stuff, you know, undergarments, t-shirts, arena. So in here we have some shorts for Tristan to wear underneath his. So big though. No lie, these are for TJ. A pack of 3, like basketball shorts. So you have the green one, the black one, and the blue one for him. And then you have, and these are also his. You get black on this too. So this one have the gray. I think the only thing that's different is the white. So another pack of 3. But I have to buy things for them not to ask me again. So mommy, this mash up once a while take a while, right? These are tanks, or as Jamaicans call it, marina, for Tristan. So these are a pack of 5 large. I don't know, I normally buy extra large for him at this point, but I normally buy large already to go out. So 2 packs of 5 tanks or marinas for Tristan. That's it in Amazon, in Walmart. Oh god, like guys, come like it now and done. Alright. We have an Amazon package right here. What is this? Okay. Savannah's umbrella. She's into Stitch and Lilo for some reason. The other day she was into Hello Kitty and I'm like, do you want a Hello Kitty school bag? She's like, no, I want Lilo and Stitch. So we got Lilo and Stitch. Her backpack is similar to this color, pink and blue, with Lilo and Stitch. So this is the umbrella for her. It's the other one that she had. She still have it, but just for the theme. Keneisha, you buy too much, you know, I think it's unnecessary. Alright, this is for the house. These are some laundry baskets. Large laundry basket, because the one that I have for my room, it's the handle giving out. So when you try to take the laundry from upstairs all the way downstairs, it's like it's a struggle to carry down the stairs because you have no handle to hold. So if you pull it down the staircase, I don't feel it. So I bought, these are 2 sets and them thick. Whoa, them thick, man. Wow, firm. You hear it? And this is huge. I purposely got them big. I will only pack clothes. Look there. Got all them in there. Boy, it has like a plastic thing to it. Like, you can hear it. Inside, like, it's lined with like plastic. So like, it stand up. And I have no, you see that? That's nice. So I bought, it's coming up a set of 2. I bought 2 of them. So one to go in my room and one to go downstairs in the laundry room. This now is this is an AirPod case for Tristan. I asked it from when he finally get one AirPod, and he thought I gave him AirPod. And I asked it. Even though he thought I enough to buy it because of plastic and the bust way, but I still feel like I don't want to give it. I did it cheap. It was like $5. So SpongeBob. And then in a character routine, this is how it's looking. And then it comes with, I don't know, if we clean it and stuff. Yeah. And a $6, not bad. And then the thing to put on it. Not bad, that's it feels thick. About a foot and something, SpongeBob and then pockets. Alright, SpongeBob, like a gangster and this. He doesn't know that I have this for him. Again, I'm not for it at school. They just did it, people. Just stop judging me now. I'm just so judgy. Oh my god. Just don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? I want to clean up. I hate doing hauls because them packages there. Them clean up, I'm have to do it. You know, cute. Reach over to this box now. Reach to Amazon again. Are the Amazon nuts? Yeah. On the Amazon box. Woo. I try to go speeding up people because the less footage I have, I edit. Oh. Try not to do it. Backtoschool either. I just found something. I've been looking for this. This is to go on my bed. It's a blanket to go on my bed. Yeah. I need to just share this. It's one of the ones that I bought before for the living room, a brown one, and I just bought the king size one for my bed. Sometimes they'll share that heavy. This is Famous Footwear again. So guys, I sold it out buy for all weather. So this looks like one of the snowshoes them for the kids. Because for some reason, I think it's for Tavania, because Tristan snowshoes could have still fit him. Tavania own the too small. I think this one could be for Tavania. Yeah, this is definitely for Tavania. Normally I buy the shorter size for her like this, but she's growing. Tavania is so tall. I don't know if I'm gonna realize that. Tavania is so tall, a little bit, and since she came from Jamaica, I feel like she has grown taller. What? She has grown taller. Oh god, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna clean up.
Help me! Help me!
But purple and gray. Her snowshoes for this year. Look at them all I know. But this is from. Where's from? Where are you from? I don't know. Where are you from? Let's find out. It doesn't say. What is calories? Calories? What is that? I'm a name on it, so I must need bites. What the fudge is this? Famous Footwear. But you don't have their name on it, you know? You don't have their name on it. Alright. These are all the shoes for the kiddos. So this one is Tavania's school shoes. Oh, it's so cute. The DC. First, me actually buy this right now. I'm gonna buy Nike, but this is DC shoes, Co-USA. But this is so cute. This is so, it's suede, like Jesus piece. So I can look for myself. But this is so nice. Look at this. This can wear our dresses and stuff. Alright, so this is her, not snowshoes, but for colder weather. You know what I mean? The snowshoes are for snow. These are colder weather. The other ones that she had were too small, so I had to get her a new one because she grew up them neck. Last year I don't remember buying anything. I don't remember buying one for last year because the one that she had could actually wear. So I had to buy this one because when we look on it, they were like size 12 and Tavania got size 1. This just doesn't fit this, but no, this shoes look ugly, man. This is Nike. It's like it don't match up in 2 weeks. Try supposed to be buying a kickers for him anyway, so this is just for now. I just not done this in like 2 weeks. I see this done in 2 weeks. We don't like it. It's ugly, man. It look cheap, but this is how it's looking. Don't like it, but I'm picking. Alright, let's jump into, let's get a little closer, because instead of bringing them to me, let me go to them. Then my Amazon bag. What is? Okay, we got some extra gloves for Tristan. So this, I think it was like a pack of 6 or 10 or something like that. Yeah, only for black gloves, just plain black gloves for the cold, for winter. Oh, this is Amazon. So this is another water bottle, and I'm thinking this one is for Tavania's own. Yep, just like Tristan's own, but this one is pink and purple with the poppet for the handle. It's actually a handle, and then you have the spout, and look at handle here as well. It's cute. They're very cute. I love these. Kind of like this low-key better than Tristan on. Just the color. Maybe because it's a girl. That's on the bottom. Feel like you want to break my nails. What is this? Oh, these are like Tristan's winter hats. There's a black. I'm gonna crush them. Yeah. This is crushed. And I could also look at these are winter hats with the set, the scarf and the hats feel thick. I don't like how it feel. Look, already done. You have the black one. It's a school. You know, just up going no in them. It is what it is. And then you have the grey one. Oh, and a brown one. Let's see if I have to cut one of them. They're all the same. So it's a pack of 4 with just hats and the scarves. And those are Tristan's own. It's like another Amazon. Oh, this is Walmart. It's a Fruit of the Loom. So I think this is for Tavania's own. it's a pink foot of the looms. So it must be Savannah. What is this? Oh, these are undershirts. So it looks so big. These are a pack of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing over here. So I purposely did this undershirts. But so this 10 in total. 2 packs. I just feel like the pack is something now move. Back at hurt me, I might get hungry. I need to go cook when I finish now. I need to cook and I don't know what I'm cooking yet. Guys, ever since I came back, I've been cleaning. I told them I finally done clean. And next week now, I'm still not pack out the suitcase them. Next week I'm going to start back gym because guys, I'm going to tell you some put on 10 pounds. I put on 10 pounds to come back. Since I went to Jamaica, I came back 10 pounds heavier and darker. And that's not cute at all. So I need to go back to the gym. I haven't got the chance yet because I've been cleaning, so I want to go back next week, start getting my fruits and stuff like that, and pack out the suitcase them. Yeah, I need to do that. No, the suitcase I pack out, but because I bought everything brand new going down, I'm gonna draw them already pack up, including the kids them drawer. I'm gonna have to go through our closets and our dresser and chest of drawer and stuff like that, and clean up what definitely can't fit in order for these things to go in. That makes sense? Because they can't hold nowhere. That's why I'm actually have 5 fits at the most. So far we haven't gone into our suitcases for anything at all. You know, we've just been wearing our regular stuff because obviously whenever I take anything out of the drawer them put them. It's not like we're missing anything, you know what I mean? Except this is the OldNavy package. And in this, why am I asking about sweatshirt for Tristan? It's another sweatshirt. Or is this for Tavania? It says large. Why am I asking about sweatshirt for Tristan? I have a brown one, a navy one, a black one. Why am I asking about sweatshirt for Tristan? That's a blue sweatshirt for Tristan. I don't know why I have so much sweatshirt for him. That's crazy. Another Amazon package. What is this? Okay, these are the sweatpants that I bought for him, and I think I have another set that should be coming as well. It's a pack of 3. You have the. I make your foot look so. I like how this look. You have the black, blue one. Long though. I don't like how them look. But they look so. They look super big too. Large. So I'm going to medium. What them are? I don't like them here. I'm going to keep it back. I'm going to set this back. I don't like this. I like this now. T-shirt tops. I'm gonna buy more t-shirt for Tristan for. Oh my god. Long sleeve shirts, guys. Just plain ones. You have red, grey, blue, white, black. Oh Jesus. I definitely don't like them sweatpants here. We don't like them. And they look super big, like them don't look like them can't fit in. So I think I might send back those. Another Amazon package. Let's send back them there. And then I'll get them at home. So now wear them. How about them? We got more sweatpants here. Let me see them and look. That's the DK and they're different from those. I definitely don't send them back. Like, what's that? Alright, so this is a pack of 2. Them will look better. I don't feel like I didn't put the DK in our funny. They're funny something too. This look better. These look better. They have the grey, they have the blue, and then one next to grey and lighter grey. 2 packs of each, or 2 packs, but each pack has 2 in there. So it's a 4. White t-shirt again. Jesus, long sleeve. The legend. Give him some sitting. So this is the pack of 4 and it's all about games. We have the yellow, the grey, the black, the blue. Oh, Jesus, winter. Well, if you think about it, we got more cold than warm over here, so I guess. But you need some more shots, and you need to get rid of something there. One more Amazon. We're getting somewhere, people. I don't want to see all the place looks with boxes. Ooh. Okay, so this is another water bottle for Tristan. It's like the other one, but it's red. Tavania has another one coming, but it's not here yet, and it's not the same thing. It's a Lila and Stitch one. 2 water bottle plus one water bottle that they had last year. They can still use it. You guys can believe that tomorrow is my anniversary. I'm gonna have nothing planned. Like, my husband said he wanted to go out and eat, like go to a restaurant, and I'm like, I don't even want to do that. We don't have to do that. We just want to spend a day together. We're gonna be married for 12 years tomorrow. That's crazy. We've been together for 22 years. Been married for 12 years. That's a big milestone. Anyway, it's not about that. These are some t-shirts for undershirt, t-shirt, white t-shirt for T3. I got 2 packs. These are George's. These are also from Walmart. So 2 packs for him, and there are packs of 6. So that's a white t-shirt for him. Then a Walmart bag. These are dropped off. And some Walmart delivered them in a bag like this. Can you believe that? Yeah, just like that. Them delivered. These are socks for, I want to say Tavania. Whose socks is for her? But I don't know, it's so big. 4 to 10. These are for her. I don't know what these are long. And these are like boy shorts, tights for under dresses and skirts. And then these are white t-shirts for Tristan. These are packs of 5 as well. So that's it for Walmart. I'm not seeing nothing else. So save the best for last. And we have this big old SHEIN compact, you know. SHEIN's a consolidate. SHEIN's a consolidate. Like, this is so tight. I won't gonna tear nothing and cut nothing. Jesus, please. Yeah, I'm gonna stuff on my bed about that. Like, it's impossible for them to put everything in this. Let me stuff it like, whoa. No, sir. And I can see it. A lot of stuff. Let me stuff it in there. Alright, let's go through quickly. And again, majority of our stuff are gonna be interested. I don't know why everybody is white something for her. I forgot school. Tavania, I forgot school. White. What is wrong with your Keneisha? But it was so cute. That's why. Enough to go to school. We can still keep it. Just sweatshirt, like a crop top with the skirts. I thought this was gonna be more like linen type thing, but it's, you know what I call it, satin. But this is it. This is so cute. Right? Extraordinary New York. I love that for her. Everything in there is up. I'm not mistaking anything for myself. I don't think so. Everything's F school. Alright, so this is a dress that she can wear in the winter or in fall. Oh, this is so cute. Right? And these are all size 6s. I forgot to do this fast now, guys, because this will feel like also one whole hour because there are much stuff in this box. These are leggings like ruching at the side. Pack of 2, grey and black. Again, to wear underneath her dresses and stuff. Make it look cute, you know? Yeah. It's a little dress. This unicorn on it. So this now, she can wear it like that, or she can just wear it. Obviously she's gonna wear her short tights underneath this, but like when it comes on to the fall and stuff, she can actually wear like a longer leggings underneath this. You get me? So these are what I'm talking about. Her summer stuff turn it into like a little bit of fall based on the leggings that you're putting on and her booty or boots. And when it comes on to spring, she can wear it same way with a lighter jacket, stuff like that. So that's how I kind of buy them stuff, so it can actually mix and match, you know. Because who got money to shop for 4 season? Sure, expensive. It's another dress. Tell me you don't like this. It's graffiti. My special skateboard. Tell me you don't like this. It's graffiti dress. This is so nice. Like a t-shirt dress. No, fast motion with the now. Fast motion. I think she had a purple one for this one we bought for Jamaica, similar. But this one is pink. The material different. I think that is different. I don't think it's the same thing. But some socks. I'm buying socks. But they're just cute. I just had to drop them in with the little bows. And that's nice. I don't know why I buy them, but they come up and I buy them. The 3 sets. Alright, so this is the skirt. No, it's actually a short. It's like a skirt. It's not jeans. It's like jeans look alike, but the material feels satiny. I don't like what material feel, but hey. It's like a ripped jeans down, but it's not. It's not. The material look, yeah. And then a t-shirt to go with it. It says sorry or whatever. That's sort of audio. The attitude. Guys, when I went to Jamaica, like everybody was in SHEIN. Like exact outfit that I had, people have been I see people in them. Like it's crazy. And some of the swimsuit that Tavania had, like they were already in it. But when Tavania going to school, the stuff them that kids are in are like most of the OldNavy stuff them, right? So like Tavania come and say, Mommy, this girl has a dress like mine, or this girl has this like mine. I promise you the white people don't upgrade them now where the SHEIN them go to school. So Tavania's gonna be outstanding in the mirror. Understand? I don't like the material feel here. It's cushy type material. So this is the dress. It's the shorts. Oh my god, this is the skirt with a ruche on the side. And then the top to go with it. Speed. It's Speed Ocean or something like that. Oh my god, there's so many things in here. This material is what I'm thinking about. This is like more like a school uniform material. This is the skirt, pleated skirts, right? And then you have the top. Look at this. Be real, not perfect. Like this is a perfect fall outfit. A perfect fall outfit with a black tights underneath this, or a blue tights underneath this. Yeah, with our sneakers or with our boots. That this is perfect for fall. Yeah, I love that. That's how I thought all the pleated material, the pleated skirts were going to be looking like. That type of material. That's definitely a schoolgirl uniform. Baby, don't ask for them this year. What am I saying? Yeah. Woo. This is thick. It look big though. This is so thick. This is definitely for fall or winter. This is a dress. Like you're not got no shape, but this is how this is looking. This is nice. Doesn't like how it does look, right? But you know what I mean. Okay. This comes with a little beanie, and this is for fall or winter. There are tights underneath, see, and our beanie for that. Socks right now. Oh Lord, socks, my baby arts. What? Okay, this is, I'm gonna make sure wear this at school. Because now I can't pee and stuff at school. But this is the one that like a jumpsuit type thing. And this look big for now. This look big too. And then it has a little crop top, long sleeve. I don't think I'm gonna, if she's gonna wear this, I'll let her wear this like without leggings. You know, like one of the ruching leggings. That's what I would do, but not with this. This stuff would go out somewhere when it can fit her. But this is so cute. Look big though. Why size 6 looks so big? Oh, this feel like a curtain. This feel like curtain material or a raincoat. This is the dress. You can't hear me? Feel like curtain. Jesus. That's a dress for sure go to school. I'm really in love with that one though, but you know it's not no back of SHEIN. I need to our closet that I have to go clean up and put these because they have all of the old school stuff underneath it. That is not gonna be her yard clothes. Yeah, I think she had a purple one for this one, if I'm not lying. This one green for school. And she has so much clothes that she never wear any then when she got Jamaica. So much clothes. Alright, this no. It's a pack of 3 and these are all dresses. So you have pink, this is so cute, blue, and beige. The neckline looking like this. Beautiful. Love it. Okay, so much thing to go through. This is definitely her winter. Has a hood on it. This is so cute. But it's a winter dress. She told me she don't want any pants and something to go to school. She wants only dresses and skirts. So that's what you guys are seeing, all skirts. Cause every time I put on pants, Savannah, she upsets. She upsets. She's really a dress girly. So that was a ribbed gray dress. This one is a ribbed khaki looking one. This one feels thinner. Turtleneck. Guys, I'm literally boxing with boxes. Well, yeah, I just come with a belt. This is belt. Oh, this one definitely fit me. Ooh. I should have back on her front. I'm thinking this part is the front. You know, I'm no thinking it's like this. For the pockets and then the belts. Like this is this hat. This is hot. It looks like some old man whatever, but it's still cute. They call them material again. Can't remember. But yeah, that's that. Because I need a brown, like she need a brown boots, you know. Go with them something there. This is so nice. Look at it. Another t-shirt dress. Girl. Look like we're getting somewhere. She have a lot of brown stuff, man. If you get one brown boots for her. Another dress. It's cute. Like a tennis type dress. So this is a pack of 3 t-shirt dresses as well. Bam. 1. Bam. 2. Bam. 3. Mermaid are real. What is this? This one I bought that she did have. I'm gonna buy all this. This one I bought how much did have before. The dress? Yeah. It's a dress. A little top if we go over it. Just like so. Cute. And then it has hood. Nice. Nice. Alright. We are done. A hooded dress. It's a little big too. That's how it looks. Don't look big on all that shit. And then one. I got 2 more. And if you get up, I'm going to she got our socks here. Just like I shared before, but these are packs of this is a pack of brown sets. And that is it. Guys, that is it. I'm just showing all in here looking. I literally just clean up in here now. It just clean up in here. Literally just clean up in here. And this is how everything is looking. Pal high. All of this, girl. Look over this. I'm blocking. I can't come out. I cannot come out. How does that work? And then up here stuff on my desk. Oh my goodness. The things I do for you. The things I do for you. Okay? So guys, this is it. Make sure, guys, make sure. I am begging you. I'm beseeching. Go ahead and put a thumbs up on this video, okay? Like the video. Comment under the comment section. Share with your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe. And if you're new over here, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I really appreciate that so much. Guys, we're so close to 800 and we need to shoot for 1,000. We have to catch 1,000 this year. We can't just go on next year and don't catch 1,000. Like, why? Why? Just please like up the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment under the comment section. The liking and the comment, it really helps, okay? So don't just watch it and say, oh, Keneisha, watch the video. No, don't just watch it. Like the video. Let me see you like the video. Comment under the comment section and say, nice video, great job, like this, something. Just drop something, okay? Alright guys, so this is it. All this we have to go clean up now. I'm not even gonna do it right now because I'm uber tired. I need to go cook for my family. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.